Никуда бро никто не ходит. इसमें फोटो उसी बात करें सारा ये क्या तो ले दोनों चलिए पका भैया जाके है पर तो क्या मैं वीडियो जो अच्छी ना ये तो सही पा रहा है हाँ अब जा रहे हैं लगा इधर देखो ना fail to open camera. So what's your good name?
Rashmi.
Rashmi, you're from?
Mumbai. Well, so far it's been good. I mean, the place is awesome, amazing. Although it's very cold, no doubt on that. But it's a beautiful place. It's actually quite beautiful. Natures are unique, I would say. And I think it's really beautiful. That's what I could say. Because it's my first time seeing it, honestly. We just arrived, to be honest. I mean, with my partner. So, yeah, it's good. On the way itself, there are a lot of places where it was all frozen up with the water.
How many
the ice.
places?
We went to Pahalgam, Gulmarg. Where else?
That's it.
Yeah, those are two places.
Any
We did skiing.
Skiing, yeah.
Sledging.
Sledging, yes. There were a lot of other stuff.
नाम डेविड है एंड मैं मुंबई से हूँ एंड जैसे कि आप सबको पता है मुंबई बहुत हॉट है बट यहाँ पर आने के बाद लाइक ये फ्रोजन वाटरफॉल लाइक इट्स रियली सूदिंग टू योर आइज एंड मेरा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस इज़ रियली गुड एंड ट्रूली कश्मीर इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल and everyone must visit during winters. Trust me, it's really beautiful. You can see here. It looks so good and I'm really enjoying it right now.
Thank you. What's your good name?
My name is Rishit Koradia. I'm from Gujarat. So this was the first time I came to a place with so much of ice and this, seeing so much of ice. This waterfall was a really mesmerizing experience and we enjoyed a lot. We're enjoying the cold and hoping to see much more around here. This was a really good experience. So that's the best part that got us here. We checked with few of our friends and this was something they told us to must go. So considering that they asked to check whether if it's frozen only then it's worth the visit. So we checked with the locals and they said it's frozen and it's a must visit, right?
Thank you.